Hi guys, it's time for another unboxing. So guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Affordable Lux TV. If you are new here, please subscribe by hitting the red button and also turn on your bell. For my returning subscribers, welcome. Thank you for always supporting your girl. So guys, I've not done any unboxing for some time now, but I'm trying to, save my coin and, try and get in one or two pieces from Coach for the spring before I do an unboxing. And here we have an unboxing. Okay, so we have this Coach, the denim collection for spring. Okay, I know I already posted some videos which I took a picture of them just to send it out there to you guys. So I finally placed an order and it came in the mail, and this item is already sold out, guys, so I'm so sorry. Hopefully Coach will bring it back soon. Okay, so but this is part of the denim collection, and I'll just be showing you guys what I got. Okay, so the second item I'll be showing you is a shoe from Coach, so something for spring and summer as well. Okay, so without wasting any much time, let's just go and unbox the shoes. Okay, yeah, if you hear noise, my daughter is here. Please, whenever I turn the camera on, she wants to be around me. Okay, so guys, please just excuse us. Okay, so this is the booklet. Coach always put a booklet, a care booklet on how to take care of your product. So this is a footwear care booklet. Okay, so when you purchase the handbag, it will come with a handbag care booklet as well. All right, so this is the item is a sandals. So this one also is already sold out. With Coach, you have to be quick. Once you see it on the website, and this is from the outlet's website, okay? So once you see it, guys, you just have to put it in the cart and check out. Otherwise, if you waste too much time, it will be gone. By the time that there was a black one of this, by the time I checked around and wanted to check out, the black was gone, so I only had to get this. Okay, so that's one thing with Coach, especially with the outlet website. So if there's a deal and you really like it, guys, just jump on it. Okay, so this is the sandal and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this one is called, hold on, let me see, guys, and it's the Mercier leather sandals. Okay, Mercier leather sandal, and the product code is a Mercier leather sandal, and the product code is C2974. Okay, and this is in the size 8.5. Okay, all right, so this is leather, and up here is a raffia. It's called raffia. Okay, so this is a raffia material and this is leather. Okay, so the inside is padded, the padded insole. Okay, is a leather sole also. Okay, and it has that beautiful C at the heel as well. Okay, so this heel here is a light gold heel, and this is what it looks like. I think this heel is like about a 2-inch block heel. Okay, so it's very comfortable to wear. The hardware is gold with the C over there. Okay, and with raffia you have to be careful with the weather. Okay, because if it's not good with water or rain. Okay, so it might get ruined if you let water go on it. Okay, so for there I have to wear this out. I have to be conscious of the weather, and I have to make sure it's not a rainy day. Okay, but this is really well made, so even though if it gets wet, I think it will get dry and it will still keep its shape. Okay, because it's really tightly sewn together, and you know and woven several times. Okay, So I'll put something similar here because like I said, this is already sold out. Okay, so I'll put something similar down there should in case you are interested in getting this. Okay, all right, so let's go to the next item, guys. So like I said, this item is from the Denim collection, and this is called, so this is the one I got, guys. So they have several from the Denim collection, several styles you can pick from. Okay, so let me try and do the adjustable. Yeah, I like this one suits my style, and I think I really like this. It has this beautiful tassel and the Coach tag over here. Okay, with that blue chambray denim look, and this is leather. You know, the Coach logo is up there, leather at the side, has a back pocket here, and also leather at the bottom with the feet. Okay, so the top handle is leather but with that beautiful brown or beige color. Okay, so the strap is adjustable. All right, so now let's go inside and see what the inside looks like. Brown microfiber inside. It has 2 compartments and a zipper compartment, and also a very little compartment at the back there. Okay, so guys, excuse my daughter's noise, okay, please, thank you. So that's what it looks like, and I'd like to show you what kind of wallet will fit in this. Okay, let me just take out all the stuffings and we can see what wallet will fit in this. Okay, so it will definitely fit your phone and a lip gloss or a little makeup kit you want to carry, but for the wallet I'm not so sure. So I have the Louis Vuitton Emily wallet here, so let me try and see if it will fit in it. Okay, so the Emily wallet, you know, fit in it with a little bit of struggle. Okay, with a little bit struggle it went in, and the Emily wallet is a medium-sized wallet. So if you have a compact wallet, this is my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. Okay, this is what this one looks like. So, and that one goes in there perfectly. Okay, so if you want, I will suggest you take a compact wallet with this, not a medium-sized wallet. Okay, and let's close it now, and it catches itself perfectly. Okay, so it's a top handle. You can carry it like this, or you can carry it with the adjustable strap. So I really like this one. I really like this one a lot, guys. So I'm gonna be pairing it up with my sandals, and I think it goes with it perfectly. Goes with it perfectly. All right, guys, so I'll also leave a discount code for you where you can be able to save $10. All right, so I will leave my code down there. So if you are getting something from the sale already, you can save additional $10 by using my code as well, and also free shipping if you spend over $100 from the Coach outlet. Okay, so guys, thank you also so much. If you watched till this end, thank you. I really do appreciate you. Okay, so I will see you all in my next one. Okay, so Brie, come and say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say subscribe.
It's a channel to mommy.
You see, you can't even talk. Now you don't want to talk. Say subscribe.
Subscribe to mommy's channel.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel. So I'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.